Welcome. Today in this session we are going to see how to construct a Turing machine for the languages containing the set of all strings of balanced parenthesis. Balanced parenthesis means open brace and an equivalent closing brace. So if it is like this, then we say that it is a balanced parenthesis. So this is the best example of balanced parenthesis. See, if we consider this example is not a balanced parenthesis because this open brace has an equivalent close brace, this open brace has an equivalent close brace, but this doesn't have an equivalent close brace. So that is why it is not a balanced parenthesis. Now for this example we are going to construct a Turing machine. See, in the input tape we are going to take that balanced parenthesis string. Now the logic here is the pointer is going to start from this open brace itself, but it is not going to convert to any other symbol until a closed brace is found. So from here, without converting this open brace to any other symbol, it is going to move to the right direction. So till where it is going to move? Till it finds the closing brace. So here it is going to find the closing brace. Now this closing brace will be converted to some symbol. Take either X, A, B, something, any other symbol also you can consider. So this will be converted to X. From here again it moves to the left direction to find an equivalent open brace for this. So the equivalent open brace is present at the immediate left. Now this will be converted to X. Again from here it is going to be moved to right direction in search of closed brace. So now this closed brace is converted to X, and now again it moves to the left direction in search of the open brace. Now this is going to be converted to X. See, if we observe here manually we can say that this string has been ended, but finite control what it does, it again follows the same procedure. After converting this open brace to X, it moves to the right direction. So this time when moving to the right direction in search of the closed brace, it finds blank symbol. That means the procedure has been completed, but sometimes there might be an unbalanced parenthesis string in the input tape. So in order to find that is there an equivalent blank symbol, so here also blank symbols will be present before. So this time when it moves to the left direction from here, the same procedure as done previously, and if it finds the blank symbol before this X, then it means that this is a balanced parenthesis string being accepted by the Turing machine. So for this we are now going to construct the Turing machine. See, let us start with the state Q0. So now even though there are number of open brace, it is going to remain as open brace only and move to the right direction. So now when moving to the right direction, we are going to obtain closed brace. This will be converted to some symbol, let it be X, and we have to move to the left direction. So when moving to the left direction, after moving to the left direction, we again do the same procedure. What is that? This open brace will be converted to X, and move to the right direction. In order to follow the same procedure, that is, we have to go in search of the close brace now. So while going in search of the close brace, we are going to obtain x here. In the previous step there was no x, but now x is going to obtain. So this x will remain as x only. Move to the right direction. So now when moving to the right direction, we are going to now obtain x here. X will remain as x only, and again move to the left direction. So while moving to the left direction, we are going to obtain the open brace. This will be converted to x and move to the right direction. So from here again, if we are